Desolate rivers and mountains in Beishan and Chushui. Time for bed, bro. A must-watch heavy rain camping episode before sleep. Guaranteed to drift off peacefully after watching. Guessing your phone battery is around 60%. And you're holding it with your pinky. If I'm right, make 2 cooing sounds. If I'm wrong, pretend I said nothing. Alright, enough talk. Let's decompress. Ruhwa, who never goes out without rain, dives deep into Siberia in the car once again, enjoying the ultimate stress relief of a heavy downpour. Camping in such fierce and brutal rain undeniably requires pulling out this 100-pound tent, unfasten the internal buckles, and fully unfold it before connecting the air pump to the intake. Gently press the power switch, amidst the buzzing sound mixed with heavy rain, pitching a giant outdoor camping tent. Though it looks quite dim from the outside, there are open hollow designs on all sides, and by simply propping up the curtains on both sides, more camping space opens up. Water accumulation is inevitable in heavy rain. Only by pushing up the roof regularly can excess water be drained from the top. Given the snakes, ants, and mosquitoes in the grass, Ruhwa zips it up tightly, lays down a moisture-proof top inside, then peels off the transparent skylights one by one, making today's camping space much brighter and airier. To easily integrate living facilities indoors, Ruhwa backs the car right up to the door. Then use a towel to wipe excess water off the top, ensuring the top is dry before laying down the carpet. Next, connect the air pump to the air intake position, accompanied by a buzzing sound. An inflatable sleep cabin is fully revealed. By the way, inflate this mattress too. Laying it flat on top also blocks moisture from below. It can easily support both me and Ruhwa. Simply tidy up the bed. The lower cabin is a play area reserved for the dog. Set up the dog's toys, providing great play facilities for the pup. The heavy rain outside has stopped by now. Carry the dog down from the stuffy car. The dog entering the tent is very happy about it. Light. KYU. For your ultimate, I am ready for every challenge and adventure. Light the alcohol block, set up a hanging pot, pour a bag of rich broth into the pot and wait for it to boil. Sunday. On the other side, abalone rice is prepared, cut into even sizes with elegant knife skills. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Fry them in the pan. Just wait 49 minutes. And you can enjoy this abalone and egg rice. Casually drop your favorite ingredients into the hanging pot. Sip a bottle of rice wine to moisten your throat along the way. Huddled in a secure tent enjoying a delicious meal. 1. While listening to the white noise of falling raindrops, such a cozy life is what Ruhwa has always pursued. Climb onto the sleep cabin after a full meal, cuddle the dog and take a short nap in spare time. Wait for the camping time after nightfall. Waking up again. It's still raining continuously outside the tent. In such cozy times, ice yourself a cup of iced black coffee, paired with a small chocolate cake. Let your body and mind completely relax to the white noise of the heavy rain. To prevent rain accumulation from collapsing the tent, Ruhua uses ropes and poles to prop up the middle. This way rain flows naturally toward lower ground. Finally, take out this inflation-deflation integrated air pump. Feed the hose into the interior. Press the start switch to achieve indoor ventilation. To add more camping atmosphere, Ruhua places several retractable lamps outside. Not very hungry due to the earlier dessert, so just boil some fire noodles to fill the stomach. Paired with some squid and refreshing cucumber strips. If these aren't enough, add another egg. Hydrants. Then take out the Starry Sky projector. Install the projection film. Gently twist to project different patterns, adding even more camping atmosphere. Waking up the next morning, the heavy rain is still pouring endlessly. Ruhua climbs out of bed early. Roll up the curtains, let fresh air into the room. Finally, drain the excess water on the roof. Hydrants. Drop some tofu into the pot. Add rich broth after boiling. Finally, add your favorite side dishes. Piping hot hot pot best dispels body chills. Move indoor supplies back to the car and release the air, thus driving away from this area.